Hello guys! Today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix notification sounds not playing in your device. So, the first thing, settings, here scroll down to the sound, and here. Make sure that notification sounds are here and not completely turned off. They have to be just, turned on. Apart from that, here you need to tap on the not disturb and make sure that the not disturb mode is off. If it's turned on, that's wrong. You need to have the not disturb off. Apart from that, here go to the apps over here section and select the application you don't receive sound from the notification. For example, Gemini. Just for example, notifications. And make sure that maybe not this one, I need to select the application that they've used. Here again. Okay, so I won't find the application they've used on this device now, but if you here tap notification, okay, here. Show notifications have to be here. Notification spotlight, maybe too, but the most important is sound. Make sure that sound here is enabled. And this should be all for you. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.